If you're in the market for a dash cam that covers all your bases, whether it's for daily driving, ride-sharing, or family safety, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the VIOFO A329S 4K 3-channel dash cam, a product designed to give you high-quality footage from every angle of your car. From the front-facing 4K resolution to the 2K cabin and rear cameras, this dash cam promises to capture crystal-clear details day and night. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into it. The VIOFO A329S is not just your average dash cam. It features 3 STARVIS 2 sensors across its front, cabin, and rear cameras. The front camera uses the high-performing STARVIS 2 IMX678 image sensor for stunning 4K footage at 30 FPS, ensuring you can capture every detail from license plates to road signs. The cabin and rear cameras feature the IMX675 sensor, offering superior dynamic range and exceptional clarity, even in low-light conditions. Whether you're driving at night or in bright sunlight, the clarity remains consistent. Now, this dash cam stands out with its ultra-wide 210-degree fisheye cabin lens. If you're a rideshare driver or just want to monitor the entire cabin for family safety, this feature is a game-changer. It eliminates blind spots, giving you a full view of the interior, perfect for recording passengers and ensuring no detail is missed. The rear camera also offers 2K resolution, capturing sharp traffic details and license plates from behind you. Powering all these features is VIOFO's next-gen Wi-Fi 6 technology, which offers 3 times faster data speeds than traditional Wi-Fi. This makes it incredibly fast to share, preview, or download footage directly to your phone or laptop. Need a 1-minute 4K clip? With Wi-Fi 6, you can get it in under 10 seconds. Another great aspect is its power-saving parking mode. This dash cam has a low power mode that prevents battery drain while ensuring you're still being monitored when the car is parked. If the camera detects any impact, it starts recording immediately, offering peace of mind when you're away from your vehicle. Now, let's take a look at some of the pros and cons. Pros: incredible clarity. The 4K front and 2K cabin and rear cameras deliver ultra-clear footage with excellent license plate capture and sharp details in both daylight and night. Wi-Fi 6 technology, lightning-fast data speeds for easy video sharing, previewing, and downloading. Wide field of view. The 210-degree cabin fisheye lens gives you an expansive view, making it perfect for rideshare drivers and family use. Parking mode, impact detection, and low power consumption keep your car safe, even when you're not around. Comprehensive GPS tracks your location, speed, and time, providing useful data when reviewing footage. Cons: hardwire kit not included. While the parking mode is a great feature, you'll need to purchase the HK4 HK6 hardwire kit separately. Installation complexity. Although the setup is straightforward, the hidden installation requires some technical knowledge to ensure clean, interference-free wiring. Price. At a higher price point compared to basic dash cams, it might not be the best option if you're only looking for basic coverage. Comparison. Compared to alternatives like the Thinkware U1000, the VIOFO A329S offers a similar 4K front camera, but stands out with its 2K rear and cabin cameras. However, while the Thinkware offers cloud storage features, the VIOFO offers a significantly larger storage capacity, supporting up to 4 terabytes of SSD storage, which is perfect for long road trips without worrying about overwriting footage. Midway CTA. If this breakdown then is revving your engine and helping you decide, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on future reviews. The build quality of the A329S is solid, with slim, high-quality coaxial cables that ensure smooth data transmission without interference. Long-term reliability isn't well documented yet, but VIOFO's reputation for durable, high-quality products and the use of premium components like STARVIS 2 sensors speaks for itself. Customer service has a strong reputation, though no personal interactions with their support team have been noted for this review. However, given their industry standing, it's safe to say they'll offer competent support if needed. Who it's for? This dashcam is ideal for anyone who needs 24/7 surveillance of their car, whether for rideshare drivers, parents monitoring their kids, or anyone looking to capture high-quality footage from every angle. If you're someone who values image quality and data storage, this dashcam is a great choice. Conclusion. Strong option, The VIOFO A329S 4K 3-channel dashcam delivers high-quality footage with exceptional clarity, impressive storage options, and useful features like Wi-Fi 6 and parking mode. It's a great choice if you need comprehensive coverage, high-quality video, and storage for long trips. Final CTA, if you want to check out the A329S, links are in the description and comments box below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep your wheels rolling with Autovated.